Now we'll look at an example where we're going backwards. We're actually going to determine an x value based on a z-score. So in this example, the average weight of a 3-month-old baby is 12.5 pounds with a standard deviation of 1.5 pounds. The average weight of a 6-month-old baby is 7.25 pounds with a standard deviation of 2 pounds. Baby Rachel weighs 11 pounds at 3 months. Her parents don't want her weight to slip further away from average. What should Rachel's goal weight be at 6 months? So first of all, let's figure out her z-score. Her current weight is 11 pounds, and the average at 3 months is 12.5, and the standard deviation is 1.5. That should actually be a positive. I don't know why that shows a negative. Probably a typo there. Anyways, you're going to get negative 1.5 over that, over the positive 1.5, and your score is negative 1. So that means at 6 months, they want her z-score to be greater than or equal to negative 1. So we're going to substitute this negative 1 and the other values we know into the 6 months z-score formula. So here's a negative 1, x minus 17.25, because that's right up here, and there's your 2. When I cross multiply, I can actually put a 1 under this, if that makes it easier for you to cross multiply like that. And so we get negative 2 equals x minus 17.5. When you add 17.25 to both sides, you get 15.25 pounds. So that would be her goal weight, since she'd only want to be at most 1 standard deviation below average. And obviously they could want her height weight to be more than that. So basically the steps to calculate a z-score, you have your z-score formula. I added the 1 here to make it simpler for you to cross multiply. And there's a cross multiply right there. And when you do that, you get z times your standard deviation equals x minus mu. And you can add mu to both sides to solve for x.